We'll guide you through how to create a zip file and email it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are. So you're in the situation of where you've got a folder or potentially multiple files that you want to go and send. So if we go and open up your email, so I use Gmail, but in your case, you may go and use Outlook, Yahoo, it doesn't matter. It's all a similar process. If we go and press compose in the top left in this case, then we go down and press attach files. And I come to my desktop, I've got that folder called private. I go and select it and press open. It brings me here. And what I want to do is go and send all of these in one, not individually. And so that's why a zip file is great. So what you want to do is either go and find the folder or open up the folder, and you can go and select what you want to go and make the zip file with by clicking, holding and dragging. If it's certain ones, just hold control and select the ones you want. I want all of them though. And then what you can do is go and right click on the selected ones and find the option for compress to and hover over it. Then you can find the option for zip file and go and click there, and here it is. And you can give this a name, so I can go and name this example, and I can just double click on it to open it up, and you can go and see the files in there. As I said, you could do this for the entire folder as well. So here is the folder. I could go and right click on it, and I could go and hover over compress to and select zip file, and that'll then go and be created. You can open it up and go and see it there. So you get the idea. So in this folder, I then have this zip file. I'll put it on my desktop. It doesn't matter, just so I can easily access it. And then what you can do is come to your email provider, whether it's Yahoo, Outlook. I'm using Gmail, as you can see, and we can press compose in the top left. Then you can come to the bottom here and find the option for attach files. We can then go and locate it. So I put it on my desktop here. I can scroll down example, and then you can select it and press open, and you can go and see we're now attaching it, and it's been attached. Then what I can do is go and add a recipient, a subject, add some text. I can go and send it to somebody.